This is my first art shoot.
Hey y'all, namaste. I'm Harshita.
I'm Mohana.
And welcome to our channel.
Hi guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing well. So as you must have seen in the thumbnail, we are on our way to an ad shoot. So it's gonna be a sort of a behind the scenes of this vlog. Yeah, behind the scenes of the ad shoot.
So a few days back, the company where I interned when I was in my second year, they reached out to us.
Yeah, they knew we were into content creation, which is why they recommended us. So we gave our profiles, and then I got selected for the subcast. So it's gonna be an experience, something new to us, right?
Yeah.
So we're
This
gonna
is
shoot
first
this.
time we're actually going to a proper shoot location, you know. We have shot so many videos outside.
Yeah, but that's like
But
that's
there's
like
not a
different from content
profession-
creation. Because it's an ad, right? It's an ad
Yeah.
for a renowned brand. I don't know if we can we tell.
Okay, we'll let you know that later. Yeah, I'm so excited. And we both are not alone. We
Yes,
are
of
here
course.
with Tada!
Hi.
So our mom is here.
Yeah.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very excited. Like I want to see
Looking
how it's
forward
going
to
Yeah,
it.
looking forward. And they're all actually very happy because it's a food brand. I don't know.
Initially, our mom wasn't coming, but then we had to pull her because the first time I felt like we all need to experience it together. I think we should tell them about the Dhurandhar tickets thing.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, this is a story
Yeah,
that
there's
we-
a story for this.
So Dhurandhar has released, right? And we really were looking forward to see the second part. And especially Harshita, she was like, we need to watch it as soon as possible. And she booked the tickets for today. She booked it for today, forgetting the fact that today is the same day as the ad shoot. We couldn't cancel tickets. It's all-
there was no cancellation option.
and the ad shoot is from morning to night, and we can't come back and watch it. The show is at 4:45 p.m. to I think 9.
Luckily,
Funny.
mom's friend bought the tickets from us.
Now we're again looking for tickets for tomorrow.
This whole bag is filled with food.
Yeah. So mom made home food because firstly mom doesn't really have outside food, and we're gonna stay from like morning to night, right? So we packed our home food. So yummy. You guys, we've come to the same area we used to live in earlier. I think around 5 years ago.
5-6 years ago.
And
Vipru Nana constructed that building. He used to tell hi from there.
oh,
Yeah,
really?
he would stand there and tell
He
us a hi.
constructs so nostalgic for us because we stayed in this area for 5 years.
Yeah.
So
And
everything here we're like, oh my god, see that? We
I
still there.
mean, I mean, even saw like a board of our school.
Cool.
So,
Oh my god. I completed my 10th there, so
yeah.
that was very special for me.
Because of who?
I also want to
Hey,
I so want
old
to.
apartment.
Our apartment's like 10 to 15 minutes away from here.
It's just 15 minutes away.
I'm gonna meet my colleagues after so long, like 2 years. Reached the shoot location and it's super hot today. The weather is just boiling. We have this bag, shoe bag, and then one
Actually,
backpack.
I think they are providing the main clothes, but just
Yeah,
some
the
extras.
costumes are being provided, but these are just some extras.
What if they found out?
Huh?
What if they found out I'm shorter than how I actually look like?
And the check.
Sit down. So let's see if it fits me. This is the one I have, like a sweatshirt, I guess.
And the models are sitting inside. We're trying to socialize, but everyone's just so awkward.
Guys, I'm the youngest one here, and I thought there'd be like one or two probably slightly older, but everyone, because there are 4 models in total.
Okay, look at this. The setup is going on, and guess which brand it could be. See the colors. It's almost 3 p.m. right now, and
I think the shoot is gonna start very late.
yeah, around 6:30 or 7. I'm guessing. I don't know because the arrangements, the setup is still going on. We have reached that stage of being comfortable talking to others because now
Yeah,
it's just
everyone's
more
like
easy. Now we're not awkward. We have made friends. Everyone's just chill and it's nice. And let's eat some tacos.
Tacos.
They might start with the makeup and hair.
Yeah, they're doing it for another mall right now.
I'm feeling so interesting, you know, when she's talking about all ads and stuff.
Yeah. So we have Anushka, and then she's a model.
Yeah.
And then we have Twinkle.
artist,
She's a makeup artist
They started with the makeup
for Anushka. Y'all, this area was completely empty. Okay,
Yeah,
it was
they were painting the walls when we came.
while we entered, they were still painting it, and now so much progress.
So cool. This is so cool.
I never
love
knew,
the
like-
experience. Like so many
They're
props,
visualizing the
paintings,
set.
fast food brands advertising. I already can see the vision.
Initially, Puna was contemplating to act, but now she's happy.
Initially, I was like, so skeptical. I was like, what are they gonna make me do? Should I go for it or not? But yeah, they encouraged me, and I have no regrets. So fun seeing the behind the scenes of
Yeah,
the ads.
and-
You always watch on your phone, or like you come across.
Yeah. This is our room. So we have Ashik. Say hi, Ashik.
Hi.
He is another model. And we have another model here.
Hello, Rohan.
Rohan. Are you excited?
I am super excited.
Niduna is running away. He's a full-time actor, by the way. Anushka is here.
Minute things they take care of.
Yeah.
Light. I don't think the artificial window art is so misplaced. Like, what?
The sunlight falling on the window, that is a light. It's an artificial source of light. That's not real sunlight. Sneak peek.
Want a pizza?
It's 4 p.m. right now. They have started the shoot.
Oh, see the vision. Oh my god, this is the wait, so cool. Guys, I've got ice in my hand. This is fake ice that is used to show like cool drinks. It's so cool. We're getting to know the whole thing. To create this fizz and all of that. They're doing it so well. Ice that doesn't melt. Ah, yeah. She's the one who's behind this. She's doing it. She's doing it so well. And she's so sweet. She created this fizz as well. She told me it's like made with glycerin, with Vaseline and all this.
This is the perfect spot to shoot a dance video. We always struggle.
It's not gonna matter because they're gonna fix it.
They feel like the stylist will help you like fix it in a way
Yeah.
that works. After I finish Rohan's makeup, you can.
Okay. Fin.
I'm just doing your skincare first. So by the time your skin gets prepped, I can do
You know what I'm getting? A brand is sending me this.
Well, this is how they get fake sunlight. So whatever light you see in ads, it's not real. There are snacks arranged for all of us. And what's the time? 7:14. 15.
7:13.
Huh?
I'm tripping.
7:13.
Actually, I'm double scared, and all the dogs are coming to me, and we are going. Thank God. With the part, when he also.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Yeah, this is so scary.
Like Sultan Nodi. Oh, no. Don't look at me. Not yet started with the shoot, but
I wonder what it is. Like, what is supposed to be like? Cheer.
no, you're gonna like dance.
This pony is hurting me.
Just walking, no work.
Amma and I are so chilling. We have been eating and chilling.
She's been craving for the pizza, and she's like, you know, I just want to pull one piece and eat. I saw her frowning. Like, don't frown.
3, 2, 1, action! Boss.
Hi guys, how was it?
It was good. It was fun.
It was fun?
Had a lot of crazy stuff, so I
Yeah.
Can't wait to see that.
Say cheese.
I already did this enough time.
We made like good friends.
Yay!
And we will meet each other super soon.
Yes. You know, guys, this is my first shoot, and I already felt like so comfortable being around them, and it's been great.
So good meeting you.
And you are so chill. I love you. You have to come home. I'll feed you all with Andhra food.
Thank you so much. Bye. Yeah. There is a huge van and everything here. Honestly, we don't realize how much effort goes into it. There's still people who are still clearing the set, removing everything and keeping them inside. And the time, what's the time, Akka?
10:37.
The time is 10:40 almost. And we're leaving. Aren't you guys hungry? I mean, I'm not hungry. I had pizza. Okay, I'll be very honest. Domino's pizzas are fine. But while I was shooting, the pizzas were so cold. And we had to take so many bites because there were so many takes taken. And at one point, we were all so full.
So y'all, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. So the ad is out and the link of the ad will be in the description below. You can check it out.
Yes, and if you're gonna watch the ad, you can spot me at the end. It's just a really tiny bit. Regardless, the ad shoot was so fun. From styling to seeing how the sets are made to meeting new people, and it's my first experience, so obviously it's gonna be a little bit more memorable to me.
And you know, even though the shot was small, we had to go there by 12:30 p.m. and we came back home around 12 a.m. And Mona's shoot lasted for like 4 hours.
Yeah.
They started around 7:30
Yeah.
p.m. And
Yeah, so many retakes, and
Yeah,
just for that one perfect shot.
and now we don't skip any ads, okay? We're like, what goes behind this ad?
Yeah,
so
you
interesting
guys,
to watch.
what would have been the behind the scenes of this ad, and what would have been the understand the rest.
Also, thank you so much for subscribing and liking and commenting on our videos. That means so much to us.
Yes, it makes our day.
Until our next video,
Love, peace, and happiness.